Today, we're hitting the reset button with a quick but powerful dynamic posture reset routine. If you've been waking up stiff, sitting too much, or feeling like your posture is off, this flow will bring you back into alignment. We're focusing on mobility, flexibility, and strength, so you can stand taller, move better, and feel unstoppable. No equipment needed, just your mat and 5 minutes to invest in yourself. This can be done anywhere, at home, at the gym, or even outside for a fresh start. We'll start with a standing quad stretch to open the hip flexors, move into side bends to lengthen the spine, and finish with a deep frog squat to unlock the lower body. Most people would skip a morning stretch, but not you. You've already shown up, and that's a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you feel looser, lighter, and fully reset for the day ahead. Are you ready? Well, let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off with a standing quad stretch because when your quads are tight, they pull on your posture, making you feel stiff and off balance. Stand tall, engage your core, and shift your weight onto your right leg. Grab your left ankle with your left hand and gently pull it towards your glute. Keep your knees close together, not flaring out. If needed, hold onto a wall or chair for balance. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch releases tight hip flexors, which can cause anterior pelvic tilt and lower back pain. I promise by the end, you'll feel more balanced and mobile. Beginners can hold onto a wall or extend your opposite arm forward for stability. If you need more of a challenge, add a slight forward lean for a deeper stretch. Now that we've unlocked the quads, let's lengthen the spine and open up the sides with a side bend. If your upper body feels stiff, compressed, or locked up, this side bend will create space and improve posture. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, keeping your core engaged. Raise your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling the stretch along your right side. Keep your chest open and your hips squared. Don't collapse forward. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch improves spinal flexibility, releases tension in the lower back, and helps correct posture imbalances. I promise you feel taller and more open by the end. Beginners can keep the movement small and slow. If you need more of a challenge, step your opposite foot behind for a deeper stretch. Now that your spine is activated, let's wake up your wrists and ankles, two key areas we often overlook. If you're constantly on your phone or sitting at a desk, this stretch is for you. Your wrists and ankles take a beating daily, so let's give them some love. Extend your right arm in front of you, palm facing outward, and use your left hand to gently pull back on your fingers. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Stand tall and gently tap each ankle behind you, alternating sides to engage your balance. Continue for 30 seconds, keeping your core engaged. This movement improves wrist mobility, key for workouts and daily activities, and strengthens ankle stability to prevent injuries. Beginners can hold onto a wall while doing ankle taps. Advanced stretches can speed up the taps for extra balance training. Now that your entire body is warmed up, let's unlock your spine and hips with deep squat into T rotation. This movement feels like magic for your hips and shoulders. If you're stiff in the morning, this will wake everything up. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip-width apart. Toes turned slightly outward. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your chest lifted. Place your right hand on the floor and twist your left arm toward the sky, opening your chest. Bring your hand back down, then switch sides. Alternate for 1 minute, moving smoothly with your breath. This stretch improves mobility in your hips, spine, and shoulders while increasing circulation. By the end, I promise you feel fully reset and ready to move. Beginners can keep the squat shallow if needed. Advanced stretches can hold the rotation for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. Now that we've unlocked the spine, let's finish strong with the full hip opener. We're ending with a powerful stretch that releases all the tension in your hips, inner thighs, and a lower back. But with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing outward, drop into a deep squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together and gently push your knees outward with your elbows. Keep your chest lifted and hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. The stretch releases hip tension, improves lower body flexibility, and strengthens your legs. I promise you'll feel fully grounded and reset by the end. Beginners can hold on to a chair or wall for support. Advanced stretchers can rock gently side to side for a deeper release. Fam, I bet you feel good right now. Go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's gonna help you level up your flexibility game. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.